Hello, in the previous video, I explained how to record a test case for load testing for browser. In this video, I will explain how to prepare the test case which was recorded in the previous step. To start the preparation, click on the Prepare Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on For Browser button. Now click on the Choose File button. Now serve to the folder location where you have saved the test case, or it will be generally defaultly stored in the default folder location. This is the test case which was recorded and downloaded in the previous step. Click and open. Now the test case has been uploaded. Click on the Prepare button to start the preparation. Wait till the preparation is complete. Now the test case has been prepared successfully. In the Jenkins, the prepared test case will be auto-created as a new job for easier execution. This is the test case which was prepared in this step. This is how you have to prepare a test case for load testing of browser. In the next video, I will explain how to execute a test case which is prepared in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For further more assistance, contact us on sales@testonneed.com. Do follow us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.